Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood and metal and craft projects your home, office, or patio space. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The intersection of wood and metal and craft projects speaks volumes about the balance between beauty and durability, creating pieces that not only serve functional purposes but also stand the test of time both in aesthetics and structural integrity. This combination of materials harnesses the natural warmth and organic charm of wood alongside the strength and modern appeal of metal, resulting in creations that are as versatile as they are enduring. When artisans choose to work with both wood and metal, they enter a realm of design possibilities that allows for the exploration of textures, colors, and forms, all while ensuring that the final product can withstand the rigors of everyday use. The beauty of this duality is particularly evident in various home decor items, furniture, and functional objects, where the rich grain of wood complements the sleek finish of metal, creating a visual harmony that enhances any living space. One of the most striking aspects of wooden and metal crafts is their ability to create a timeless aesthetic. A well-crafted dining table, for instance, may feature a solid wood surface paired with metal legs that offer both stability and a contemporary flair. This combination not only provides a stunning focal point for any dining area, but also ensures that the table can endure the wear and tear of family gatherings and everyday meals. The natural variations in the wood grain add character and uniqueness to each piece, while the metal components contribute to its overall strength and longevity. This synergy between the two materials embodies the essence of functional beauty, demonstrating that practicality does not have to come at the expense of style. Moreover, the use of metal in conjunction with wood allows for innovative designs that push the boundaries of traditional craftsmanship. Artisans can create intricate details and structural elements that enhance the overall design while maintaining the piece's functionality. For instance, a wooden bookshelf with metal brackets can achieve a minimalist look while ensuring that it remains sturdy and dependable for holding books and decorative items. The contrast between the warm tones of the wood and the cool, industrial feel of the metal not only adds depth to the design but also creates a narrative that reflects a modern approach to craftsmanship. This thoughtful integration of materials allows for an aesthetic that feels both fresh and timeless, appealing to those who appreciate the beauty of well-crafted items in their homes. Durability is a key consideration in any craft project, particularly when it comes to items that see regular use. The combination of wood and metal inherently enhances the longevity of crafted pieces. Metal accents, for example, can provide structural support that wood alone may lack, making it possible to create larger or more complex designs without compromising stability. A wooden bench with a metal frame can be both lightweight and robust, allowing it to be easily moved while still supporting several people comfortably. This strength ensures that the piece can be enjoyed for years, resisting the wear that comes with daily life. Similarly, the protective finishes applied to both wood and metal can enhance their resilience against moisture, scratches, and other forms of damage, further extending the life of the crafted item. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to practical durability, the use of wood and metal together promotes a sustainable approach to crafting. Many artisans focus on sourcing materials responsibly, opting for reclaimed wood or recycled metal to create their pieces. This commitment to sustainability not only honors the environment but also adds a layer of story and meaning to each item. A coffee table made from reclaimed wood paired with reclaimed metal legs tells a narrative of renewal and resourcefulness, appealing to those who value eco-friendly practices in their homes. This awareness of material sourcing encourages consumers to invest in pieces that not only enhance their living spaces, but also reflect their values and commitment to sustainable living. The emotional connection that people form with well-crafted items further underscores the beauty and durability of wood and metal crafts. Each piece becomes a part of the home's narrative, carrying with it the craftsmanship and intention of the artisan. A handmade wooden and metal chair, for example, is not just a place to sit, it becomes an object of beauty that may evoke memories of family gatherings, quiet moments of reflection, or lively conversations with friends. This emotional resonance is amplified by the unique characteristics of the materials used. The warmth of the wood invites touch and interaction, while the solidity of the metal reassures users of its strength. Together, they create a sensory experience that enhances the overall enjoyment of the item, making it cherished and valued over time. Furthermore, the adaptability of wood and metal crafts allows for personalization and customization, which can elevate the beauty and functionality of the pieces even further. Artisans can incorporate various finishes, stains, and patinas to create a look that aligns with individual tastes and the overall style of the home. A custom-made desk, for example, can feature a wooden top that matches the homeowner's existing furniture, while the metal legs can be crafted in a style that complements the room's decor. This level of personalization ensures that the crafted item feels like a unique addition to the space, enhancing its beauty while serving a practical purpose. The ability to tailor these pieces to fit specific needs or preferences fosters a deeper connection between the owner and the object, transforming mere furniture into meaningful elements of the home. In the realm of home decor, the combination of wood and metal can create striking visual contrasts that capture attention and spark conversation. A wall art piece that blends wooden elements with metal sculptures can serve as a stunning focal point in any room, showcasing the craftsmanship and creativity involved in its creation. The interplay between the organic textures of wood and the smooth, reflective surfaces of metal generates a dynamic aesthetic that can elevate the overall ambience of the space. Such pieces can transform a plain wall into a canvas of artistic expression, inviting viewers to appreciate the beauty of the materials and the talent of the artisan. This artistic synergy exemplifies how wooden and metal crafts can transcend functionality, becoming integral parts of a home's identity and character. Moreover, the tactile nature of wood and metal crafts adds another layer of appeal, enhancing the sensory experience of interacting with these items. The smoothness of polished wood, combined with the cool touch of metal, creates a contrast that is both pleasing to the eye and satisfying to the hand. This physical interaction with crafted pieces encourages individuals to engage more deeply with their surroundings, fostering a sense of connection and appreciation for the artistry involved. Whether it's the gentle curve of a wooden handle on a metal tool or the solid feel of a wooden tabletop supported by metal legs, these details contribute to the overall experience of using and enjoying the crafted item. The beauty and durability of wooden and metal crafts represent a harmonious blend of aesthetics and practicality that resonates with individuals seeking meaningful additions to their living spaces. The combination of these materials opens up a world of design possibilities, allowing artisans to create pieces that are not only visually striking but also built to last. This synergy between wood and metal enhances the overall appeal of crafted items, ensuring that they serve functional purposes while also enriching the environment in which they reside. As consumers become more conscious of their choices, the focus on sustainability, craftsmanship, and emotional connection further elevates the value of wooden and metal crafts, making them cherished elements in homes for years to come. By embracing the interplay between beauty and durability, these crafted pieces invite us to appreciate the artistry of design and the stories that they carry, transforming our spaces into reflections of our values and experiences. Ultimately, the enduring nature of wood and metal crafts serves as a reminder of the importance of quality, intention, and creativity in our everyday lives, encouraging us to invest in pieces that enhance both our environment and our well-being. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden and metal crafts projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.